Yes, Noah's about Good Hearts Children's Home. Yeah, hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching us from. On today's video is another super special video. Oh my god, everything's okay. Yeah, welcome back and feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. My good name is Claude Joseph, and I appreciate your love and support by always stopping by to this YouTube channel. And also you really motivate me by your comment at the comment section, and of course you really give me strength when I see, okay, so they keep on moving. Thank you so much. So today is another good day as we are here. We are dealing with the construction, but I'm really sorry to say that on this other hand, this construction will be stopping because we are running out of funds. I'll be giving you a clarity of what we have been doing and how much we have been operating with since we started this. I wanted to operate even to one room, and we'll be sharing with you what's happening. This is how everything is. Yesterday we were installing the security lights. It's evident, you saw it on the videos, but before that, as a kid saying, so before that I'll be sharing with you at the construction site. Oh my god, kids are waiting for breakfast, and we see what's happening. They're waiting for breakfast today, so it's been really good. So I'm really avoiding to talk to the kids. So it has been a very good session. Muna namna gani umeka? Hey. So this is top mason. So uko na mafundi wangapi mra? Yeah. 6. Nani na nani. Safi. So guys, we are having here fundis. So this is the top masons. Waita wote wakuje tuangalie. So we have one. Waita wakuje. Kuna kelele ya watoto hapa. Let us see what we have been doing. So yesterday we were doing mura wote mkuja hapa ndani. So yesterday we were doing what we call, like, you see the plenty of how many we are using, how they are operating. So 1 or 2 fundis cannot operate with this. So, and the walls are very long, tall away. So mwana watu wa mkono na fundi tusimame hapo. Tujue ni wangapi tuko na tuna operate wangapi. Tujue tunaenda aje. So guys, I'm trying to tell them we want to know how many we are operating, and so it's evident because the videos we show you how many fundis are here and how many handymen are here, so that we keep on moving with what we are doing this. So this is one room that we are operating under it, and the work, you see, as you see, we are doing some cleaning and doing what we call mura top mason. Oh, wako wangapi? So guys, we are having 6 fundis. Leo tuko na fundi number 1. Mnaonesha vitu zako za kazi. Fundi number 1 we have the top mason. The other one over here, so you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the fundis. So you see the wall is very long up, and it's plastering. It's not like a normal one that you just construct and go. They have to do it perfectly, and I really, under this guy, things is everything that you see over here, it's really perfect. And yeah, so fundi sita na watu wa mkono ni wangapi? These are their handymen. So everybody has this, so they have to do. You can see the very big hip. Na simiti ni ngapi mura? Watu wa mkono tunasema hata hai mura. So there also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is what you see when you put more like this. They work really in just maybe half a week. Everything will be done, but for now we are focusing on this because we are operating under 400 USD. So we want to see what we are doing today, and we'll be finishing. So simiti ni ngapi? This is the storekeeper over here. Simiti ni 8. So hiyo ndo zote za mwisho. So I'm asking him how many cements do we have. So he told me that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sindio? Simiti ziko 9. So this one, the other one is used to, ziko 8. Count, we see. Here there are 9. There are 9. We have this one here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 3 wheelbarrows, 1 ratio 1 cement, right? Yeah, it's 3 wheelbarrows under 1 cement, so that wall can look smooth and clean. Sawa bana, mimi mchape kazi. So hakuna simiti kwa nyumba hata moja. So I think we can add simiti ngapi tunaongeza mara? Kwa leo tu. Because we are operating under less money. So tuna operate na simiti. Ilete simiti 10. So I'll be heading to the hardware to buy some 10 more cement so that we can also do the budgeting, because they need to be paid. We need to buy the more materials like this, but we are operating under this one room. Maybe some days when we get money, we also finish up with the other one. Sawa mura, wacha nionyesha na wengine. We also have the other 3 more handymen. The one who is going to level down here, because this side it's really not okay, and then also the other side. So let me share with you what's happened, because yesterday we were leveling this, and also we are running out of money, so we are operating one room at a go. So we started with that. We are going to finish it, and also right here, this one haven't yet been done. Waiting for the bricks and operating. We see what's going on. We are operating under 400 USD, and that's what you are really seeing what we are doing. So also, because they are going to work everything, the outer side, not this side, because this one we are operating with one room, second one just like that, and then we finish. We should have much money, we could have finished it, but let's wait and see, because this money we are operating, it's 400 USD that was donated, and we saw it's good for us to finish even one room, and we can check maybe if there'll be well wishes, we continue it, you know. Yeah, so this over here, we had a very bad place over here, which that we put 2 people to slash this Latana Camara down, so that they can create space, so that they can create a very nice space. You see the way it is, it's bushes living on this side, and we want to do what we call like to slash this side down, so that this place also can be plastered. Yeah, so that's it guys. Me, I'll be heading to what we call like to the hardware, buy more cement, 10 cements actually, and we can write down everything what's happening. And maybe today will be the last day maybe having this, because I'm operating now. The balance that remained was 35,250, and today the mason needs to be paid. Each mason is paid 1,000. Each handman is paid 500, plus the top mason 500, 1,500. So today the masons are paid 6,500, and the handmen, which are 6, they paid 3,000. That is 9,000, plus the other guy who are working over here, and the other one here 9,500. So 9,000, 10,100 for today. So we'll be remaining with 25,000. So we buy also cement. So the money that will remain, we will see what will be done around here. So let's go and see what's happening. Handman number 1, handman number 2, handman number 3, handman number 4, handman number 5. Wapi na mtu mwingine wa mkono mura? Number 1, yeah, number 2, and the number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. And also we have handymen, and the handymen are handman number 1, handman number 2, handman number 3, handman number 4, handman number 5, and handman number 6. So you can see a very big heap of cement, and these are the last cement that we are operating. So today we are operating only this room, the outer side, the outside plastering over here up to the other point, also to this other point. So in just 2 days, which is yesterday and today, we are done with this one room. Yeah, the more masons, the more work will be done. So guys, I just arrived here at what we call like Manchester, what we call like hardware, and I really want to do what we can buy some cement, then we can be heading to them. So oh yeah, receipt. So I just paid this simiti 10. Sasa tunaweka kwa tukutuku. Just have to have 10 cements. I'm in town right here at this Sirari border. It's our border town where just in a few meters from here, it's what we call like Tanzania. So right here, this is where most of people buy materials. So we are buying 10 bags of cement. Then we will be proceeding with them. We see right to the opening right now. Hey, people building like never before, like no man's business. So a lot of cement, a lot. So we need 10 of them. Then this will be proceeding to where we will be heading to right now. You see how stuffs are. Yeah. Guys, they always do what you call like delivery, but the cars are really, don't the car, but the tuk-tuk is going very fast. So we have to look for the tuk-tuk so that we can do the transportation from here to the other, so that I cannot delay the masons also, you know. Yeah. Because the cars are loading, others are offloading, so so this is the guy who always do delivery, but now they have what we call like a long trip to deliver these stuffs over there. So with me, for a good sake, I had to use this motorbike, no, a tuk-tuk. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are more to go. We need like 2, then we should be heading. See how everything will be, you know. Confirm, pastor. Iko sawa, pastor? Sawa. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my receipt. So you know he has to mark the receipt. So yeah, so that we can see how it is. Okay. That's how it's supposed to be. Sawa mura. So that's what you see. They really make the tick and everything. So 10 cements gone. Yeah. So let's go. So as you can see, we have brought both cements and bricks for the completion of up. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 cements and the bricks. I told her to bring 500 because that's what we had for a start. Then we see what's finishing. So as you see, the outer side is also done. So you see they're already through on the other end here and this side. So there's also one who making the pillars and the coppers. So that's what you see. Mnazia simiti umeziona? Sawa. Haya, zinaweza tumaliza hii room moja. Tuone venye kunafanyika. Basi. So guys, the truck that comes with what we call like bricks. So that's what you see. Just like that, and it will be reversed, and then we see what's happening. Woo. Just easy, so that we can remain with what we are remaining with. So these bricks, they'll be made. Let me share with you where these bricks will be working. So over here, so over here it's also have to be levelized so that it can be on a very nice way. So the bricks need to be finishing up here, the upper side, and also in here, the upper side, this other side. So those bricks we bought. So I've bought the bricks, but the money that we have remained with 9,050. 9,050. That 9,050 will maybe be having 2 or 3 masons that they will be finishing up this house tomorrow downwards for screeding. You know, when we talk about screeding, we talk about you see in here they'll be having a level down here, and then it will be done screeding tomorrow, so that we finish up with everything around. Yaje uko poa? and then the house has an echo. So there are mnakorogea hapa ndani yeah. So this is what you see, and this is what we are working here, guys. You know, slowly, easy. Yeah. So we have a total of yes, ma'am. We have a total of 1,200 bricks, in which I bought 600 bricks, and Pastor bought 600 bricks, which was the money that David Jr. gave it to Pastor Esther. So she bought bricks, that is 600 bricks, and also I bought 600 bricks, so that we can see where the 600 bricks will 1,200 bricks will take us. Definitely we have here 1,200 bricks down here. So that's what you see, and the transportation. Slowly. That's what we call leveling. So we need to have a one level over here, a one better level, so that we cannot have bumps. So one level, and this one will be done. The house is coming out nicely, so it's one room. Yeah. So over here, just like that, it will be done. Yeah. As you see, the work is ongoing. So that's how you see, guys, the work is going in the outer side area, and hey, despite that it's raining, still they are really, despite that the weather is really sometimes crazy, they are still on working. Like now, it was raining right now, but they were like, man, we are keeping on moving. Look. And also the good thing is down here it's going to be levelized today. So yeah, the upper side, that's how you see they're doing it. They're coming with it longly and very nicely. Pita tu boss wangu, pita tu man. Kopoa. Sawa. Kumbe hata wewe kijiku na kielewa. Sawa. Kabisa. So that's how you see, guys, on top. So they're coming easy. And the interior. So the interior, the remaining amount that I have, that's 9,050. Tomorrow I'll have like 2 or 3 masons who will be doing the screeding down here, or we will see. I'll talk with the donor who donated this $400, so that we see if the remaining money we can finish also the other side. But we want to focus on this one room. I told you it's one step at a time, and then we can see if there are more to come. We are highly welcome. We can see we want to finish even one room, and we'll see how everything is. This was the money that was donated towards the solar, and we really decided to change it because the boys were really in need with this what we call like dormitory, and yeah, that's how it's going. And I really appreciate the work is going on. It's true by the grace of God, and for the well wishers, may Almighty God bless you all. Yeah, so pole, one step at a go, one step at a time, one step, you know. And that's how you see it's going. So this one, tomorrow, if we get money, we will be done with this end and also the other side, because we already have bricks there, and we have 1,200 bricks down there. Yeah. It's working, guys. Over here. So we are in this area, and so that you can come in one uniform, so that it can also keep the shape of this house.
Hivi niko live sasa hivi.
Itu mau ada apa? Sana ikira koroga. Rudi nyuma. Mrefu mwenyewe. Soja. Salimia watu baba. Niko live sasa hivi.
Bado ziko njoo.
Make this place so that you can be very clean. And yeah, the guy behind the camera, Mura, come by. Hi. Hey, Gazi. Yeah, it's evening time, and the hilly or bumpy area that you are seeing, it's all going down. The guy has really become a good guy, working. Yeah, it's really giving it shape, and that's how we are. Temera hii. Hey. Tuko tayari nyumba yote. Yeah guys. Working alright. Sawa Mura. Oh hi. Uko poa? Unaona aje kazi?
Iko fiti.
Yes.
Mafundo yanaendelea vizuri.
Janti inaendelea vizuri.
Jana wa kazi.
Yeah. Kabisa. Omeri watu nango ba. Yonge wacha. Kazi inaendelea aje?
Yani kazi inaendelea vizuri. Tunapambana hapa naona. Nyumba imeshakuwa tayari tumeitengenezea floor. Ikuwe sawa hata sasa mtoto akakanyaga.
Anadonjo maber. Sawa. Yeah, guys, this is how you see we are really working hard, so that you can see how stuffs are around, you know. Yeah, guys, the work is actually done very clean and nice. Mura ma oya na soki ohar ma ohar haro morango kuyiga. I'm trying to tell him that he should clean that place so that it can look clean and neat. But kazi mnapiga, it's a very nice work, guys. Look at that place, very nice and great and very. Vipi? I'm calling this guy. I'm calling a certain guy yesterday. He came here when he was very drunk and he wanted to be so dramatic. When I talked to him, he really apologized. Mura?
Yeah.
Uko leo sawa?
Niko sawa kabisa.
Uko sawa kabisa. So guys, this is the guy that yesterday was here. Na unaweza ambia watu nini Mura? Kama jana ulikuwa na vurugu kidogo, leo unaweza ambia tena msamaha na kazi uendelee nayo vizuri.
Msamaha.
Yeah, no, unasema tu.
Ilikuwa pombe. Ilikuwa pombe na ndio siku yangu ya kwanza kukunywa hiyo pombe. Na nikaona inanipeleka vibaya. Ndio nikakuja leo naendelea vizuri na nachapa kazi.
Na nilikwambia nitakupa kazi. Na leo anafanya kazi.
Akaniambia atanipa kazi na ndio hiyo. Tunapiga kazi hapa.
Na kazi naona aje inaendelea aje?
Iko poa kabisa.
Iko poa. Yeah, guys, actually this guy yesterday he was very drunk and he said that he drank it for the first time and he was very dramatic, so it drove him badly. So he was just trying to be dramatic, but he apologized and I told him if today you come here early in the morning when you are not drunk, I'll give you a job. So I offered him a job today and he's really working very hard. Maybe some days we'll go check out his background and we know.
Nimeoa.
He has a wife already. Yeah. So we'll see. Na uko na watoto?
Niko na watoto.
So maybe siku moja nitakuja nikutembelea tuone venye hadi. Maybe tunaweza jua maybe labda inaweza kuwa ni stress za nyumbani ukaenda ukakunywa.
Kweli bana.
Kuja kusumbua.
Hata sina bora ya kuwekea mahindi. Sina. Hadi yote stress tu. Na watoto tena wa shuleni nini.
Okay, yet tutakuja tuongee kesho. Guys, this guy actually yesterday he came very dramatic. Even some of the subscribers were calling me.
Nimefungiwa hata nyumba Lentos kunani. Sasa
mawazo ilikuwa mbali. So mawazo ukabidi uende kukunywa pombe.
Ndio nikaona ndio ukanipea hata kazi. Nilifurahia sana.
Sawa bro. Sawa. Haya bro.
Nikakuja nikafanya kazi.
Thank you man. So mimi nataka tu ubadilike moro. Ufanye tu kazi mzuri. Hata leo we have another guy called Fundi Duke. Alikuja kuangalia ule jamaa kulienda aje. Sio hata askari leo asubuhi walikuja. Yeah, they were a police in the morning right here and they really warned him. They brought another boy in the morning over here and alikuambia aje
usipiga kazi
usirudie.
Yeah. Ndio nikapiga kazi.
Yeah, so guys, he really like he's a good guy. It's only that alcohol was really driving him down. But he has really worked and the work is going on good. Mura kazi, hata kesho kama tutakuwa na kazi tutaingia. Sawa. Asante guys, that is Bunyige. Jina lako unaitwa?
Charles Bunyige.
Yeah. Sawa Bunyige. Guys, this is Charles Bunyige and maybe one day we feature his story. But I offered him a job and you can see how everything was here and the work today, first room, well done and still the work is still ongoing and through this today we have operated I'm going to share with you how much we have operated with this day today and I don't want to operate right now because the fundis are still on working, so it's when I'll be paying them. We work, I pay them, you see how many fundis do we have and how many handmen do we have and because sometimes you might be saying, okay, CJ, you have maybe written 5 fundis and we see 6 fundis, or you have written 6 fundis and we see 5 fundis. So it's either that when I pay a fundi with the name, everything goes smoothly, just like that, because this is the money that our subscribers, you have really handled on. You sacrifice yourself to really donate towards the project, and with me I don't want to eat even a single shilling. Maybe sometimes when you see this one, I just tell you, okay guys, this instead of doing this we have done this. That's how it's going on. So we really appreciate the love and support, and this is how the work is going. rate this work out of 100, and we will see how everything is around. God's work, slowly by slowly. You can see even that how that guy is hustling with it. He's trying to. Don't mind my phone because it's darkness. It's total darkness right now, and the fundis are really working extra hard and extra time. You can just check on the other side. Mwananka boru kiambale no kidogo mwana. Tafadhali. Huyu kijana ananyoosha. You see this place. Well done, well done. Also up the upper side. Anombe mungure nengasi. Lakini mbuya hari. Acha hakwa. Sawa guys. This is how they work to see, and yeah, we appreciating. We'll be ending this video, but not now. Let's wait for them and we see how everything is going on, you know. Yeah guys, even our fabricator really arrived to check on the work that he's doing. How do you see the work, bro?
The work is wow. The work is very smart.
Yes, very.
I see that the work has been done for only 2 days.
Only 2 days, yeah.
Yesterday and today, and the house is complete.
It's complete. Wow. Out here, the other side. So the only remaining part is behind. Yeah, because it's behind the house. I'll show you.
But that one is not
visible over here. It's not necessary.
Not yeah, it can be. The walls will pass.
We pass there, yeah. And also the other thing is that I requested them tomorrow they finish because it will not be as smooth as this. It's just a rough cast. Rough cast because that's the behind her. So because this, you know, the only thing that made them to spend more time, coplers. Yeah, these edges. You see this one, and the coplers of the windows, doors. This. So if it could be a flat base, yeah, if it could be a flat base like this, they could have tried. But these ones, the moment they do this, the shovel can't go in here easily, so they have to spend a lot of time. Yeah, go introduce yourself, man.
I'm Fundi Duke.
Yes.
Fundi is Fundy. Fundi Duke, Duke.
Yeah.
I'm a content creator. Go check me out. Subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment, guys. Road to success.
Thank you.
And also, I'm a fabricator. I did the solar poles.
Yeah.
I did the solar lights.
Yeah.
I attached them, but yesterday I was a bit busy at the workshop. I had somebody's work, so I had to go and finish. So I was not available to come and fix them.
Yeah.
But I've gone around. I saw that you did a very good job.
Thank you, man.
On fixing them.
Thank you so much.
They are looking good.
Thank you so much. And also we are looking forward to work maybe with you. We are trying to see the budget maybe of the beds that can also go in here. We see how stuff will be. Maybe some days we don't have that. We are just it's a wish that we can even fabricate 5 or 2 beds that they can be in here, so that because the boys in there are sleeping on offcuts of the trees that have been fabricated to become a bed.
Actually, I've gone around the orphanage.
Yes.
And it have touched me.
Yeah, man.
I promised myself that it's only tomorrow. Let me go to the workshop. I finish the client's work. Yes. Only tomorrow. Yeah. And after tomorrow, I'll be here full time.
Okay, man.
Be that it is not that work of making beds. Yeah. I'll just be helping, volunteering, helping. Yeah. And we see how it will go.
Okay, man. Thank you so much, and thank you for visiting, bro. We are working. Look at the hands, man. We are doing some work here, man. Don't worry, bro. So things are really working well, and I really appreciate these guys. And thank you so much. So I want to pay the masons. They're already waiting for me right here, and we will see how everything will be. All right, guys. Let's see. Guys, this is the team, and the team is almost getting to finish over here. Wapi wengine mura? Wapi wengine? Tulianza na nyinyi. Wengine wako wapi? Walienda kuoga. Mura kuja mrosea dunia iseme eti tulilipa watu 3. Unaogaje food? There is the top master. Where is the top master? So we have, this is a handman by the name Bunyige. Murasuli sema umebadilika. No more pombe.
No alcohol.
No alcohol. Yeah, tumetuambia leo no alcohol. Yeah, and also he was a very good guy. Munga Mujinga. You
can call me Munga Mujinga.
Munga the
Punisher.
Munga the Punisher. Okay, Munga the Punisher.
But I'm suffering a lot.
You're suffering a lot. Don't worry, man. Ote uomoke. tunashukuru tu, ni pole pole utaomoka bro.
Mimi nimengoja sana, naona mnatest hapa. Mniweke mahali ya.
Yes, thank you. Okay. Sir William. Hey man, Sir Williams. You are fundi. Wewe pia ni fundi. Handleman Bunyigi, the big man. Yeah, also William. How do you see the work? How was the work today?
The work is very tough.
Hey, you tried your best. Okay, man. Thank you. The other man, man. John. Good work. He's a young man with a lot of dedication towards this work. Yes. Jili the Don. Mwana majina magumu. Mazito. Unajua Don ni mtu wa pesa. Jili the Don. Victor, you are handman. Niko. Kazi inaendelea aje? Yeah. Hopefully one day, guys, we'll sit with them and we celebrate. When we finish this house, we can even have soda with them and we tell them, man, and we have even a drink as soda. So zimechanika. Ata jama. Fundi Duke, do you hear this? Come help. Maybe we can get reflectors for them some days. Because this Fundi Duke, you hear how he's saying? He was up there and his apron went a half. It's only God. But we thank God everything is okay. And well, pia ulikuwa unaenda kuosha vyombo. You tell ni handman. Wewe ni jina ni John. Emmanuel. Kazi ni mzuri. So they are finalizing it. So we had 6 handmen for the masons and every 6 masons. So tusubiri top mason afu tupige picha moja noma. Guys, they are finishing up. Hii nusu itaingia kwa nyumba. Let us check how many cements have remained. Because today we added 10 cements. There were almost 22 cements that the YouTubers contributed. I found them here, so I worked with what I was getting. So today also we brought the bricks, and that's how it is. So you can see this guy even is working. So the remaining one, this guy even needs to be a mason, but he's also a mason. It's only that pombe is a lot. You know, sometimes, God willing, man, some of these things can change. You might not know. To mentor people like these, young youths are drinking, not because that they are need, it's because of lack of job and lack of mentorship. So you can check again this guy. This is the drunkard guy yesterday. So today he's really doing a good job. He was working. So the remaining one, I told him because there's something there, he has to finish that point. Yes, we're working up to now, late night. But we are most grateful, and our lovely Mama is here. Mom, what do you see? How do you see the work?
The work is coming very well. And everything that we say is coming up very well.
It's coming up very well.
My voice,
yes.
You can hear.
Yes.
They gave me the medicine to sleep, and I went for an injection.
Yes.
And when I'm getting healed, I see that the house is coming up very well.
Yeah.
All the job is coming very good. Even the workers today, they are doing a very amazing job.
A very amazing job.
Very amazing job.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. So guys, this is the work that we are doing over here. So let's finish and then we pay the masons. And so I wanted to end this video with Mama, with her last regards, as she tells us what she thinks about this, how we are working. This was just done for 2 days, ma'am. And
just to thank everyone, all the donors, and even everyone who is working here with that effort to make sure that this house is complete. Yeah, I can say may God bless you so much. Yeah. On our side, we will be continue praying for everybody. Yeah. And even asking God to give them more power to continue working. It is a very nice job.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
So thank you for every donor. Yeah. God bless you. May God add you more and more. Yeah. We are so grateful. We are so happy.
Yeah. Thank you.
To see the work that's going on here.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Guys, it's time for payment. Ni muda wa malipo. Jisuntire. Takuja karibu hapo. Ni muda wa malipo.
Kuja wote.
Muda wa malipo. Takuja karibu. Ni muda wa malipo. Nani hataki kulipa kwa kamera? Nani huyo? tuko na masons watu 6. Tuko na Kebo, William, tuko na Johnny, tuko na Munga, tuko na Joseph, tuko na Guga. Hiyo ni watengenezea change. Ile hakuna kulipa kwa simu. Transaction mbona 1 2 3 4. Guga. Ungekuwekea weke safi. Joseph,
Uhita kwa kamera.
Joseph, usimwona na hata. Hata hawiga. Munga. Katao kako kasafi.
Sawa, mshahara. And man.
Johnny. William. Sawa. Kebo. Handyman Manu. Manu kula yako. 500 yako safi.
Munga.
Babu.
Ule munga. Munga hego.
Bora. Nikikupea nyingi. Mariba.
Wewe nani ri? Oye. Munga ameenda wapi? Ni kile doko si. Munga sijui hata ameenda wapi.
Niko.
Kabino mswali mimi.
Unavaa viatu ya mtu mbona. Ukiiba ya mtu hata Mungu atakulaani. Kuna tunafika kwa Niko.
Hebu zima hiyo light.
Tutamgonga msimamo muliki. Nakupa ngapi? 600.
Nakuwekea.
Victor. Victor. Ini ngapi? Ninunulia hata chai ya mia. Haya mrefu. This is the other guy, guys. So today kikunywa na hii pombe, kesho kuna kazi. That's why unajua if you harness him up to this evening time, you do what we call like he doesn't even get time. Even if you go drink this evening, you not make so drama, but he has promised to change and to become a very good guy. So with me, whenever I have work over here, lazima nione nakutafuta. I don't kununulia soda.
And you have to promise to be here.
Full time. 200, 300. 400. Haya, 500. Hii ni soda yangu. So ukibadilika, they are very good guys. Huwezi rudi kwa pombe. Sawa guys. He has promised he will never get back to pombe. So nashukuruni sana. And that's how the work has gone. And we really appreciate guys. Thank you so much for working up to this late night. And I really appreciate the team. I wish I had a lot I could even tip to them. But hopefully tomorrow when we're working, we have to tip them even 100 or any soda, so that they are really working beyond the scheduled time for the workers. So we really appreciate this, and thank you so much guys. Be blessed, and bye. We really love you. And today what we worked for is that we have worked on what we call we bought vents, we bought bricks, we have paid the masons, we have bought the cement. So over here 6,500 for the masons, 3,000 for the handyman. We bought bags of cement and transport, 9,800 Kenyan shillings. And we paid Caleb, who was levelizing here. We paid Brian, who was fencing down behind there. That was a total of 20,200. We added bricks. That was for 6,000. That was 26,200. 26,200. And then we bought what we call vents. Vents are these things. You see the ventilations. So ventilation for 1,400. So that became 27,600. So the money that we have remained with out of 35,000, somebody can make a quick math. Out of 35,250, out of 35,250 minus 27,600. How much is that?
That is 7,000.
So that is 7,000. 850. 7,850. So we have remained with 7,850, which means tomorrow there might be no work because we have less money. That's 7,850. Maybe you can have maybe 2 or 3 masons, but please guys, if you are really doing this, to do this, help us finish this. This is before and after. This is what we have done. So the remaining balance is 7,850. So that's how we are working, guys. Thank you so much, and we are being showered with the rain. That's blessings. Bye guys, and see you. Yeah.